आतां हातूंतल्यान जर कोणाक फाल्यां कितें क्रिमिनल एक्शनी जाल्यो जाल्यार ताका रिस्पॉन्सिबल कोण उरतलो तें हांवें सांगपाची गरज ना. म्हाका आय वॉन्टेड टू क्लोज द चॅप्टर बिकॉज इवेंच्युअली दे वर नॉट एब्जॉर्ब इन द सर्विसीस. सो irregularity could have been waived off, but since he insisted, this FIR will be lodged in maybe next 10-15 days, but directions have been issued. आता पॅट्साच्या संदर्भात हांव पयलीं पूर्ण करता. पॅट्साच्या संदर्भात ताणें म्हणलां पळय की BJPन हेल्प केली, तेच इग्नोरन्स इज ब्लीस म्हणटा थोड्या बाबतींत. तर तो इग्नोरंट आसा. यू कॅन गो टू पॅट्स एम्प्लॉई. इट इज नॉट काँग्रेस गव्हर्मेंट हू हॅज सेव्ड देम. The PATS employees has managed to take a stay from High Court, and their advocate is Mr. Atmaram Natkarni, who was requested by none other than Mr. Manohar Parrikar to help them out. खंयच्याच सर्वीस मॅटरान दुसरो मनीस वचूंक शकना. It cannot be third party application in service matter. Service matter, the person who have been aggrieved has to go. So they have gone, but we have supported, I have at least held about 10 to 12 conferences with the advocates to work out how legal it is. Congress government had decided to throw them out in spite of fact that they were employed much earlier and were in service. And today, if they have been regularized on supernumerary post, it is not because government wanted. The High Court order is very clear. Interim order is High Court has stayed any action of dismissing them, and number two, High Court has said that all promotions of LDCs will depend on the outcome of this case. आता काँग्रेसच्या राज्यान दाखयता हांव कसले हे केल्या ती. 47 health workers were hung around for almost 5 years, 6 years. Mr. Alex Reginald, nor Subhash Shirodkar, nor anyone even thought of intervening and giving them justice, which was given by the BJP government. 186 servants are on a meager salary in Goa Medical College for last 11 years. The Congress government employed more than 350 people on the same type of work after these people, but have not given them regularity in spite of their right on it. There are 6 cases of agriculture officer who are in the High Court for having refused employment after selection by GPSC. High Court has granted interim saying that if they are selected, they have to be taken if the court judges judgment तांच्या आयडी घायलेल्या. There is a case of Deputy Director Education Mr. Samant, who has been denied promotion through an inquiry conducted which is one-sided without natural justice. There are empty number of cases of this nature, which if they want, I can bring to their attention how injustice has been done on these very Goan people who were actually working in the departments. These are cases where they are not working in the department, they were selected on the, even according to their own admission, selected on the last day of the free day. That means next day was a code of conduct. One day prior to code of conduct, but by manipulating, actually the indication is that these orders have been released on 26, 27, 28, not on 22nd. आनी कितें ताजेर प्रश्न आहा, बिकॉज हाज्या फुडें हांव ताजेर उत्तर दिवचो ना. कोणेंय कसली मॅटर हाडले की ना, आतां हांवें थरयलां एम्प्लॉयमेंटाच्या संदर्भांतले. आय विल सेंड द मॅटर टू एंटी करप्शन. इफ दे से दॅट इट इज गूड, आय विल कीप देम. इफ दे से दॅट इट इज irregular, I will file FIRs. This was referred earlier when they came to me. Those boys came to me. Lot of our MLAs also brought cases to me because some of them, after realizing that BJP is coming to power, had switched to BJP side during election. So these are political appointments. They were given for working in the election. They have been used in the election by Digambar Kamath. All these people who are shouting, they have actually used them in the elections. And some of them might have taken money also from them. तुम्ही इन्क्वायरी करा मरे, एकट्या एकट्याक वचून विचारा. आता एकदा इन्क्वायरी सुरुवात यू विल गेट डिटेल्स हू हॅज डन वॉट. काय गेल्या 5 वर्षात प्रचंड मोठ्या प्रमाणावर इररेग्युलर मार्गाने, इल्लिगल मार्गाने आणि भ्रष्टाचारी मार्गाने, म्हणजे सगळ्यात यांना सगळेच ॲडजेक्टिव्ह लागतात असं नाही, प्रत्येक याला वेगवेगळा ॲडजेक्टिव्ह लागतो. भरती झालेली आहे, त्या भरतीमध्ये ज्या सापच इल्लिगल गोष्टी आहे, म्हणजे वय कमी केलेलं आहे उदाहरण, अशा गोष्टी आम्ही काढून टाकतो आहे. तिकडे आम्ही हे करणार नाही, दयामाया करणार नाही. शासन दिलेलं आहे. मी मुलांना भ्रष्टाचार म्हटलेलं नाही असेल म्हणून प्रत्येक गोष्ट प्रूव्ह होत नाही तोपर्यंत तसं नसतं ना. नाहीतर आपण काय हेच करू शकलो नसतो, सरकारच चालवू शकलो नसतो, तुम्ही टी व्हीच चालवू शकला नसता, काहीच करू शकलो नसतो. म्हणून सांगतो की उकरून काढायचं असेल, इरेग्युलरिटी 100% आहे. मी दाखवतो इरेग्युलरिटी आहे ती. भ्रष्टाचाराचा विदाऊट पुरावा तुम्हाला पाहिजे असेल तर माणूस आणून उभा करतो, किती पैसे येते ते सांगायला. पण शेवटी ते प्रूव्ह व्हावं लागतं. काय दॅर इज अ स्टेट ऑफ लॉ, द स्टेट इज ऑफ लॉ अँड देअर फॉर एनी ॲलिगेशन हॅज टू बी प्रूव्ड. आतासुद्धा मी तुम्हाला काय सांगितलेलं आहे, अमका माणूस त्याने पैसे खाल्ले म्हटलेलं आहे. मी म्हटलेलं आहे मी FIR लॉन्च करायचे आदेश दिलेले आहे आणि प्रायमरी फेशिया जर त्याच्यामध्ये एव्हिडन्स सापडलं तर उद्या चार्जशीट करणार.